So September 9th, 2017. Just went up the tram, as you can see, and just got off the top tram at the 8,616 feet. And now we're going down a little hill. You have to check into your ranger station, get a day pass. It's free, but you have to check in. I guess it's so that if somebody disappears, they know they're missing somebody. But so I'm gonna do that and then start heading up to Mount Jacinto. It's about 8:14. It's a Saturday, September 9th. Catch you later. Okay, so just got my day permit and left the ranger station. And I don't know exactly, I'm gonna look later to get the numbers, but today's about 6 miles to the top of Mount Jacinto with about 2,500 feet of elevation gain. Except for one section, it's supposed to be just kind of gradual like this. So it shouldn't be too bad, and then not too bad. Actually probably pretty easy coming down. So it's been raining and sprinkling. The weather's in the 50s right now, which I think is great for me. I like it cool. And it's gonna get up to maybe the 60s here at 8,000 something feet. And the top will be in the 50s, which is perfect to me. And I have an ultralight umbrella in case it rains, so I'm all set. Hey, Mike on the trail again. As you probably saw before, started in the Palm Desert. I took the Palm Desert aerial tramway, and from my previous videos, I've been to the top of Mount Jacinto once before, but from the Idlewild side, actually Fuller Ridge. So I'm doing it from the front side. Oh man, it's starting to sprinkle. Anyway, this will be a little bit easier hike, but a different side of the mountain. So the plan is, took the tram up, amazing view. I guess that's the world's longest aerial tram that rotates. So I got some pictures. So when they drop you off, I correct myself, it's 8,416 feet. So we'll go from 8,460 feet and actually go down to check in at the ranger station, and you get a free day pass. So sorry about being out of breath, I'm going uphill. So started at basically lower than 8,000, probably 8,200, and the top of Mount Jacinto is 10,834 feet. So I don't know what that is. I didn't try to figure it out, but it's like 2,500 feet. And it's 6 miles, so 2,500 feet over 6 miles. And should take me maybe 2.5 hours, maybe 3 if I take a break. I plan on eating lunch at the top, get some good film and video, but that's the plan. It's just gradual uphill all the way. I guess there's one mile section in the middle that's pretty steep, but the rest of that's just normal. So that's the plan. What's nice, it'll be downhill all the way back to the tram, so that'll be nice. Anyway, I'll check in later. I'm getting to a kind of steep rocky area. Look at all these puddles. It did rain here. going on our way up. Here it is sunny and raining. Not sure if you can see that. I'm heading up this way. We're about maybe a third of a mile from Wellman's Pass, which is like a turnoff to go up to the top of San Jacinto. Well, we are about, this my group's just in front of me, you can maybe see them up there. Only about a mile, probably a mile and a half to the top if I had to guess. We're probably closer to 9,500 to maybe getting closer to 10,000 feet. And like I said, the peak is 10,834, so we're getting there. So the rain stopped. It's been sprinkling on us all day. The rain stopped for now, and it's really nice and cool. Slight breeze and just perfect hiking weather. Anyway. Well, I'm almost near the top. I have a great view. I just took a little break here on a rock. I'm on the side of a hill going up an angle. But I thought I'd show you the view, and I can't really aim it very well, but I'll try to show you. But this is my view. Side going around. I don't know if I can't see what I'm pointing at, but beautiful clouds, and there's a valley down there. And then that's the trail we're going up. It doesn't look like much, but there's a trail there. So that's what I'm looking at right now. Great view, so thought I'd take a break and check in at the top. I think I have about about 2/3 of a mile to the top, so we're just about there.
You know, seriously, I mean, there's a truth to that, because you figure people who were to hang out in nature more often,
Yeah.
they have a tendency to be good, period.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
It's like sticking us all in concrete
Yeah.
environments like that for us.
Well, we're heading back, Ken and I, and it's pouring rain, and we have lightning and thunder above us. I think we have about a mile or a mile and a half or something left, maybe a mile, but to the tram. But I thank God I brought my heat and rain umbrella. But we're starting to get a river on the trail in some spots. But anyway, I don't know if you can hear that thunder and lightning right now. But anyway, we'll check back if we can in a little bit.
memories of great adventure. Visit